Good evening. Today is Wednesday, January 3, 2024, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sorcery 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Wednesday, January 3, 2024. Here are the SL Sorcery 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for January 3, 2024, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Wednesday, January 3, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.